is Casey, and today I'm going to make a video about buying the Nighthawk. And let's rob Bree to do the buying Nighthawk thing is a jewelry store. So the jewelry store is the last robbery for the Nighthawk, guys. What? I'm clicking for the stick. There we go. And I'm going to go to the warm-up. I can spawn in the warm-up. But before we go by the warm-up, I'm going to go to the criminal base and return a 5k cash. And look, now I have 6 million cash. So now I have enough money to buy the Nighthawk. And here's the Nighthawk. It cost 6 million cash. Last time Thunderbird was the most expensive vehicle. It was 5 million cash. But RIP Thunderbird for being the most expensive vehicle. And not only that, but when I soon bought the Thunderbird, a week later, something like that, they add another expensive vehicle. So it's like I'm buying the most expensive vehicle again. Like, wow. But anyways, I'm going to buy the Nighthawk. Would you like to buy Nighthawk for 6 million cash? Yes, I would. In 3, 2, 1, go. Now I bought it. Well, it's not really fast at taking off, but it's still a really great vehicle. It has like 4 missiles, like dual missiles on the right and the left, and the trails is really cool. It's like a Warhawk, but a Tron jet fighter, and it can go in stealth mode by clicking R. Now I'm invisible. But I kinda see the vehicle a bit. But I don't know if being invisible would not make Buzzard users or Warhawk users not be able to see you, because you always see people when they're there. But invisible cannot see them. So I was wondering, can they see them? And it can drop nukes. Sorry for the lag of the video. And not only that, but nukes is friendly fire, so I can hurt myself. Look. Like that. And not only that, but if criminals start shooting down my Nighthawk, I would just throw nukes at them. I mean, not the target, I never see it was easy. Always not easy at all. But I would do that if they start shooting down my Nighthawk. So yeah, it's really cool vehicle, and I'm going to customize this Nighthawk. So now someone said nice. This brings me down. So just going to put red circuit as the skin color. Now it looks really great. So that's it for the video, guys. So about the Nighthawk. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye.